Alright, what's going on, guys? YouTube, finally got another car in. 1997 Pontiac Bonneville, little cheap car. Got 189,000 miles on it. It's pretty clean, as you can see. It just need to be vacuumed. No check engine light or anything like that. Got this car very, very cheap, $528. I got it from IAAI. I won it for $350, but with the fees came up to $528. When I first, took off, I'm just leaving the auction now. When I first took off, I was feeling like a little, the brakes was like horrible. But I guess as I kept stopping, it doesn't ease up a little bit. So now it's driving just fine. The AC doesn't work, unfortunately, but the heat works. And as you know, it's kind of cold right now. So whoever I sell it to, they don't need AC right now. I'm gonna be looking to probably get about, hopefully, $1,200 for this bad boy. Like I said, I paid $528. So as y'all know, a couple of weeks ago, I took a very, very bad hit on that on the Q56. I could have kept it a little longer, but I decided to go ahead and sell it. This car is driving good, man. For $528, you can't beat that. The auction is actually an hour away from my house, so like I say, if this car makes it there, this bad boy good to go. I'm gonna show y'all the interior and exterior. I'll be with y'all in a sec. Alright, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you guys the exterior of this bad boy. This what $528 get you. I didn't even vacuum it. It was already pretty clean. Unlock. Oh, we got a spider. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Actually cut off for me on the way over here. Had to put some gas in it. That gas hand don't work. It's stuck on F, but that's not the case because it took $10. Luckily, I was right by the gas station. Show y'all this real quick. Go all the way around. As y'all see, we a little dented up right there. But it's $500, man. Can't beat that. Hopefully, I can get about $1,200 for this bad boy. I know definitely I should get about $1,000, but we'll see. But that's the Pontiac Bonneville. We ain't gotta do nothing to it. All we gotta do is sell that bad boy. And that's it. So this is the only car I got right here. Got left. That and my, of course, the Accord that I've been driving for the longest. I appreciate y'all watching though. Peace.